This is the Westin, and welcome. I'm gonna give you a tour here at the Westin. I came in last night, so let's check that out. Let's go to last night now. Welcome to the Westin in downtown Los Angeles. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. I also want to tell you I'm a little bit tired, but I'm still gonna show you around. Check this out. Here is the lobby, and we checked in at the desk over here. And now this is the lobby as you walk in. It's late at night here, but it's a beautiful lobby. I gotta say, I really do like this big spacious lobby. I'm gonna be taking the red elevators, which I think are back there. So let's go and see my room next. So there are different towers here. There's the red tower, there's the blue tower. Mine is in the red tower, so let's head over to the elevator. Wow, this is cool. So here's the elevator. We're going up. You can, oh look, there's me. We are getting this beautiful view. Can you guys see outside? Look at this. Nice view. I think I got upgraded to a room that has a view, so I'm pretty excited to check that out. Come with me. If you're watching this video and you enjoy my tours, please give me a like or a comment. I just make these videos for fun, for free. They're not sponsored. Stay tuned. 2846 is my room, and let's take a peek to get an idea of what the room looks like. Now, I got a king-size bed. Oh, I love to see the charge ports that are next to the room to see what they have. So this one has some USB stuff. Anyhow, let's stay focused on the nice stuff. I'll be honest, the room looks a bit dated. It does look dated. This is definitely not a brand new, fresh room, but that's okay. I'm okay with that tonight. I have a desk where I can work, which I like. I have the TV over there, and here's the view, which I'll show you this tomorrow because I think that it'll look much nicer tomorrow. For now, let's go over here. Let's peek into the bathroom so you can see how it looks. Very straightforward. I gotta admit, this is pretty nice. I like all the counter space. I do like the counter space. These beautiful mirrors, the shower, certainly an old shower, but look, oh, that's cool. They did the new shower head where it's the rainwater style. So I like that. And then where's the bath products? Okay, we've got these normal bath products. Great. Well, I think I'm gonna check out now and go to bed, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning. Hello. I am here at the restaurant for breakfast. I have a bright yellow shirt on, and I'll show you what's inside and what is available at the restaurant here at the Westin for breakfast. This is my plate, what I got. You can see I have some eggs, some salmon, some tea, but let me take you inside here so that you can see what the setup is. This is the buffet area. And at all of the stations, you can see some yogurt. There's some salmon. I got that salmon over there. There's cereal over there. This area was interesting though. This has like Asian food, which I thought was really neat. And then over here, they have eggs and there's bacon. And then there's fruit, pancakes, and hash brown that is over here. But for now, I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back in a minute. Well, during the daytime, let's see how the lobby looks. And inside, you can see how nice it is. Look around at this lobby. I'm going to mine, which is the red tower. So I'm gonna go over here into the red tower. Now, they also have a gym. They have a pool. They have the restaurant that I showed you. But for now, we're going up to the red tower here. Ta-da! The view popping out during the day. Here it is. There is the pool down there. You can see the pool. And I am on the 28th floor, so it's a really nice view of downtown. Here's the different towers that we're seeing. And the pool downstairs that we will open up right. Well, I'm checking out of my room now, and I just want to say thank you very much for watching. This hotel, the room was a little bit dated. I think it was a little dated, but I would like to go back and visit the gym and the pool, but I would definitely stay here again. So a quick little tour. If you like this video, will you give me a like or a comment? I go to hotels all over the country and just make quick little videos of my honest opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.